Anne Arundel County, founder and first Lord Proprietor of the Colony Province of Maryland. Anne Arundel County is included in the Baltimore-Columbia-Towson Metropolitan Statistical Area, which is also included in the Washington-Baltimore-Arlington Combined Statistical Area. The county was named for Lady Anne Arundel, the daughter of Thomas Arundel, 1st Baron Arundel of Wardour, members of the ancient family of Arundels in Cornwall, England. She married Cecilius Calvert, 2nd Lord Baltimore, and the first Lord Proprietor of the Colony, Province of Maryland, in an arranged marriage contract in 1627 or 1628. Anne Arundel County was originally part of St. Mary's County, the province's first erected county in the southern portion of the province of Maryland, which had first been settled by the arriving settlers in 1634. In 1650, the year after Lady Anne Arundel's death, the county separated from St. Mary's and erected into its own jurisdiction and became the third of the 23 Maryland counties. It was composed of the hundreds of Town Neck, Middle Neck, Broad Neck, South River, West River and Herring Creek. Between 1654 and 1658, the county was known as Providence by many of its early settlers. On March 25, 1655, during the English Civil War in Europe, the Battle of the Severn, the first naval colonial battle ever fought in America, was fought in Anne Arundel County on the Severn River between Puritan forces supporting the Commonwealth of England and forces loyal to the Lord Proprietor, Cecilius Calvert. The Commonwealth forces under William Fuller were victorious. In 1692, the Church of England, also known as the Anglican Church, became the established church of the province of Maryland through an act of the General Assembly. 10 counties had been established in the colony, and those counties were divided into 30 parishes, with vestrymen appointed within each. Anne Arundel County was divided into 4 parishes: Herring Creek, South River, Middle Neck and Broad Neck. Between 1694 and 1695, the provincial capital of Maryland was moved from St. Mary's City along the northern shore of the Potomac River across from the southern colonial border with the province of Virginia in St. Mary's County farther north along the western shore of the Chesapeake Bay, midway in the colony, to Annapolis in Anne Arundel County. Prior to the move, Annapolis was known as Providence. During the American Revolutionary War, citizens of Anne Arundel County supported the Continental Army by providing troops for 3 regiments: the 3rd Maryland Regiment, the 4th Maryland Regiment, and the 6th Maryland Regiment were recruited in the county. During the War of 1812, the one of the original 6 heavy frigates of the recently re-established United States Navy, USS Constitution, sailed from Annapolis prior to its victorious engagement with the HMS Guerriere of the British Royal Navy. On May 22, 1830, the inaugural horse-drawn train of the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad traveled the 13 miles of Anne Arundel County. This was the first regular railroad passenger service in the United States. In 1831, land west of the railroad was considered the Howard District of Anne Arundel County. In 1851, the Howard District was broken off to form Howard County, now the 21st county in Maryland. The county has a number of properties on the National Register of Historic Places. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the county has a total area of 588 square miles as water. Anne Arundel County is located to the south of the city of Baltimore. Most of the county's borders are defined by water. To the east lies the western shore of the Chesapeake Bay, and numerous tidal tributaries of the bay indent the shoreline. The various rivers, creeks, streams, inlets forming prominent peninsulas, also known as necks, lying south of the Patapsco River, were annexed from Anne Arundel County to Baltimore City in the third major annexation of January 1919. Anne Arundel County originally included all of the land between the Patuxent River and the Patapsco River upstream to their headwaters on Paz Ridge. The northwestern section of this long tract later became Howard County, with the border between the two running very close to the Atlantic seaboard fall line. As a result, Arundel County lies almost entirely within the Atlantic coastal plain, while Howard County is almost entirely within the Piedmont province. Elevations in Arundel County range from sea level at the Chesapeake and tidal tributaries to approximately 300 feet in western areas near the fall line. The terrain is mostly flat or gently rolling, but more dramatic banks and bluffs can be found where waterways cut through areas of higher elevation. With the exception of the very limited extent of Piedmont underlain by Precambrian to early Paleozoic metamorphic rock, all of the county is underlain by thick deposits of gravel, sand, silt, and clay dating from the early Cretaceous to Holocene T.